A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. You ever promise somebody something yet? And after you're done, you realize it's the wrong thing you do. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this with all of your friends. And if you're not subscribed yet, go ahead, click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right yourself. Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Mark chapter 6 from verse 14 to verse 29. King Herod did hear about all what Jesus did do, because everybody did know about Jesus. Some of the people them did say, him a John the Baptist come back alive. So that make him have power in him for work miracle. Some other people did say, him a Elijah. Still, some other people did say, him a one prophet, like when I prophet them from way back when. But when Herod hear all what the people them did say about Jesus, him say, a John, who for head me did make them chop off, a him come back alive. Cause Herod did make him soldier them arrest John and lock him up in a prison. Him do that sake of Herodias, him brother Philip wife, where him did take away and married. Cause John did tell him over and over, say, it not right for you married your brother wife. You broke the law. So Herodias carry bad belly for John and did want kill him. But she never get a chance, cause Herod did well respect John and protect him. Cause him know say John did one good man, we always do it right. Herod did love to listen to John, even though every time he hear him, what John say confuse him more and more. But Herodias get her chance on the day when Herod did a keep up birthday party. All of the top man them in a government, the top army people them, and the leader them from Galilee, the day of the party. Herodias' daughter danced for Herod and he guessed them. Them did well happy with how she danced. So Herod said to her, say, ask me for anything where you want, and me will give you. He promised her, say, anything you ask for, me will give you. Up to half of my kingdom. So she left and go ask her mother, Mama, what me fi ask him for? Her mother tell her, say, ask for John the Baptist head. So she run back to the king same time and tell him what she want. She say, I want John the Baptist head pan one plate right now. The king heart start at him when he hear what she asked for. But he couldn't take back his word, cause him did done promise her in front of all and guests them already. So he order him soldier them same time fi go chop off John head carried come. So the soldier them go to the prison, go chop off John head. One of them put it on one plate and carry go give the little girl, and the girl carry go give her mother. When John follow them, hear what happen, them go take him body and bury it. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.